So in this video we need to factorize x raised to power 6 minus 64. Now we know that this is x raised to power 6 minus 2 raised to power 6. 64 is 2 raised to power 6. Now we need to solve this, but if we will factorize this directly, we are not able to factorize. Okay, so what will we do? We know the formula that a square minus b square is equal to a minus b, a plus b, and x raised to power 2 raised to power 3 or x raised to power 3 raised to power 2 both are equal to x raised to power 6, because power of power multiplies. Okay, so we have x raised to power 6. We can write it as x raised to power 3 raised to power 2. Is it okay? Because power of power multiplies. Minus 2 raised to power 3 raised to power 2. We can write it as this, 2 raised to power 6. So this is a square minus b square. A square minus b square is equal to a minus b, a plus b. This is b. A minus b, a plus b. Now what is the formula of a cube minus b cube? A cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. And what is a cube plus b cube? This is equal to a plus b, a square minus ab plus b square. So we know these formulas. Now we can use these formulas here. This is x cube minus 2 cube. A cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b, a square plus ab, 2x plus b square, 2 square is 4. And here we can write x plus 2, x square minus 2x plus 4. So this is how we can factorize this. Okay, so if we will factorize this will be complex roots. So so we are not going to do this. This is the shortest factorization we are going to do. So x raised to power 6 minus 64 is equal to this. Okay, so this is the factorization of this. Thank you for watching.